Defining barcodes to item master is very fast. In simpliRP, go to barcode defining page. Enter few letters of item code. All the items will be shown with old barcode. Just enter the new barcode. Click Tab. simpliRP will automatically save the new barcode. You search by any 3 letters of item codes or by barcode. This can be searched by even barcode scanners. Please note, the products shown are just an example and does not represent real product. simpliRP is the simplest way to manage your material management. Thank you.